The Cargo NXT Recognitions 2026 South India edition took place in Bangalore at Hyatt Centric Hebbal, bringing together India's logistics and supply chain fraternity for an evening dedicated to leadership, legacy, and lasting impact. The ceremony commenced with a dignified ribbon cutting, graciously embraced by the guest of honor, N. Sivasalam, former Secretary, Logistics, Ministry of Commerce, Government of India. His presence set the tone for an evening rooted in vision, governance, and institution building. Industry leaders, veterans, and change makers from across the ecosystem gathered to honor those whose contributions have shaped the backbone of Indian logistics. The spotlight then turned to the Legends category, a tribute to pioneers whose journeys span decades of service, transformation, and nation building. The Logistics Legend Hall of Fame recognition was conferred upon Jayaraman Krishnan for his enduring influence, thought leadership, and lifelong contribution to building resilient and future-ready supply chains.
The reason we have lasted is truly because, as I said this morning, it is a passion, a commitment, and with the underlying rock is integrity. A wonderful journey, having started in the shadows of my grandfather, later my father was equally eminent in the trade. It was not easy because powerful figures ahead of you, you need to branch out, you need to do, and that's where God has been kind to me that I've been able to steer a path, keeping the core values, adjust the sails, take it forward with the changing times.
The Lifetime Leadership Excellence Award, 50 years of service, was presented to Vipin Vohra, honoring 5 decades of unwavering dedication, integrity, and leadership that helped shape modern Indian logistics.
We always think ahead of the trade. We were the first one to start garment on hangers from India. We were handling all the May department stores, and they wanted the goods on LD3 containers without, on the hangers. And customs, they said, how it's possible, how can we write 2,000 pieces on a shipping bill, But we explained to them how it works in Hong Kong and other places. And finally, we were the ones who started hanging garments out of India by air as well as by sea. And if you remember long back, every package, the custom used to put seal on it, wire seal. Now, we were dealing with a company called Limited Stores in the United States. We were handling all their business. And they went and opened their new warehouse in Ohio. And the first shipment we sent, and they put the packages on the conveyor belt, and the whole conveyor belt got broken. And they sent the pictures to my father. He said, we don't want these seals. Otherwise, we are going to stop buying from India. So based on that, we went to the, my father went to the customs, explained to him, went to the ministry, and finally that was removed from all India. So that was the time, the whole sealing was removed.
The Logistics Icon of the Decade recognition was bestowed upon Fletcher Samuel in recognition of his outstanding leadership and transformative impact on the cargo and logistics landscape. The Logistics Woman Leader of the Year honor recognized Chandrakala Boba, celebrating leadership defined by excellence, resilience, and the power to inspire future generations. This category concluded with the Logistics Visionary of the Year recognition, awarded to Biju Thomas for his forward-looking vision, innovation-driven mindset, and commitment to shaping the future of logistics. Each recognition reflected a journey built on purpose. Each moment honored a legacy forged over time. As the evening drew to a close, we extended a heartfelt thanks to our partners whose trust, collaboration, and continued support made the Cargo NXT Recognitions 2026 possible. Together, they helped create a platform that celebrates excellence, honors legacy, and strengthens the logistics ecosystem. The Cargo NXT Recognitions stand as a reminder that progress is powered by people and the future of logistics is built on leadership, vision, and collaboration. From legacy to leadership, from recognition to inspiration, Cargo NXT continues to honor those who move the industry forward.